before you pick up the barbell, you want to find your natural path of motion. So stand with your hands like this and just turn them out. That's your natural path of motion. You don't want to just do that. So you go like this and then turn out comfortably. Go ahead, grab doing a squat, grab the barbell. Feet, knee, hips lined up in a straight line. Go ahead, start curling up. Shoulders, you want to keep them back and down locked. His upper back is locked. Abs tight, so it's working your abs too. We want to always work the abs. We want to keep your core nice and strong. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Don't move your body around. You don't want to be swaying. Go ahead, start swaying for us. Now he's moving back and forth. Not good for the back, so go ahead, tighten it up again. Keep going. Now there's no momentum. All the force is going right in that muscle. That muscle's getting cooked. His neck, he's looking straight. He's not looking around the gym. Almost every exercise we do on trainerapproved.com, your neck is not moving around. You're looking straight.